Today we're gonna be doing some masking in Anime Studio Pro 11. I'm just gonna hop right into it. First thing you want to do is have you a main layer. So our main layer is gonna be a cube. Just gonna go ahead and draw it out. Alright, like that. Side one. Add some dimension to it. Alright, create a shape with that. You know what? Just add some color to it. So there's our cube. So once you have your main layer set up, whether it be a house or a ground, you want somebody falling into a manhole or something like that. Once you have your main layer set up, you're going to go ahead and create a group layer. You're going to call that the hole. And inside that hole, you're going to put all your objects that's going to be associated with that hole. So let's see. We're going to do a pencil. We're going to go ahead and drop that inside that layer. Let's go ahead and draw that out right quick. Zoom out. It really be a pencil, but let's just do this. Alright, so once you get your object set up, you're gonna next make your mask layer. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna draw a big triangle. I'm sorry, a big square. Anime Studio, a mask reveals an object. Anything outside of the mask is gonna hide within that mask layer, within that mask group. So once I get all my settings finished, this actual color is going to disappear. So we got our mask, our pencil, and then we want to draw a hole itself. We want to draw the hole itself. So we're going to have, let's go ahead and make that disappear. So we got, alright, come on. We got our hole that our pencil is going to go into. So we got our mask, hole, and a pencil. Now you want to have your mask at the bottom, your object at the top, and your hole in the middle, or wherever you want to put it. You want to have your object on top. You want to have your object layer on top of your hole. It gives it a better look. I'll show you once I get this set up how it's going to look. So you're going to double click on your group layer. You're going to go to hide all. And then on your object itself, you're going to double click on that, and you want to mask that layer, which is already select. And then your hole, you don't want to mask this layer. You want it to show. And then your mask itself, you're going to add to mask, but keep invisible. So once we apply that, anything inside of that, inside of this square, this mask I set up, is going to show. So my pencil, if I take it outside of it, is going to start to disappear. So pretty much if I was to go forward, and it will all depends on where my mask stops. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this mask layer tight with this hole right here. Just go ahead and create some points so it can kind of fit snug around that hole. Alright, that's all we need. So when I move my pencil, move my pencil, alright, tell you what, just grab a whole layer. So when I move the pencil, it's like it's going into the hole. Let's render that. Now if I was to put my hole on top of the pencil, it'll still have that masking effect, but it'll look different. You see how it looks like it's kind of on, like it ain't right. It don't look like it's going inside the hole. So you always want to have your object on top of the hole. That way it looks like it's inside of it. So that's pretty much it. A mask reveals an object. Anything outside of a mask hides it. So, I'm gonna turn my pencil, shrink it down. I'm just gonna show you right quick. When it's inside the mask, it's visible. When it's outside the mask, it's invisible. And this is great for, like, you want to do an animation with somebody throwing something in the trash can, or say somebody falling down a manhole or crashing through a building or something like that. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos, and leave a comment or any suggestions. And that is it. I'll see you guys later.